I think it's great that Kinspeed are putting these sort of events on and re-engaging face-to-face with customers.
To actually get sort of endorsements and feedback from other customers, that was great. Great day out. I'll be here next year. Thank you very much.
So for me it was very timely because our company, we're currently on Sage 200 but we're moving over to Intact, so it was useful to have some of the sessions and certainly learnt some things and the functionality that I haven't seen before.